Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Poco X3 GT aka Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the midframe by undoing 16 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic cup pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the sides to separate the plastic clips. While taking out the frame, be gentle. The fingerprint plug connects with the mid-frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid-frame from the body. And also disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and take out the not working front camera on the top center of the logic board. Next, take out all three rear cameras from the body, starting with wide camera and follows with ultra-wide and macro cameras. Next, replace the required not working front or rear cameras with a new one and place it on the board. Next, connect the fingerprint and battery plugs to the board. Next, place the mid-frame in the body and then turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the mid-frame by adding 16 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.